Simplifying rational exponents. So, unang gagawin dito is simplify muna natin yung coefficient. 2/4. So, yung 2/4, pag i-simplify natin yan, i-divide sa 2 pareho, ito yung magiging 1/2. So, meron tayong 1/2. And then, ito naman, i-divide natin. So, pag nagde-divide tayo ng variable, sinasubtract natin yung exponents. So, negative 7/4 minus 4/3. So, yung LCD ng 4 and 3 is 12. So, multiply natin sila sa 12. So, cancel natin. 12/4 is 3. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. And 12/3 is 4. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. So, negative 21 minus 16 is negative 37/12. So, yung x is raised to negative 37/12. So, dahil negative ang exponent, so ilalagay natin siya sa denominator para maging positive 2x raised to positive 37/12.